Ow. Sakit niya. Sakit niya. Sakit ng bukol. I check my WBC. Sabi niya, paano ka nabuhay? Your WBC is 0. If I do not put out this video, I will just die. The news will be, Doc Willie died one day. He did not tell his followers. He lied to his followers. I owe it to the Filipino people to be honest to them. I owe it. Mahal na 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 mahal ko kayo po lahat. I think I got all this pain from negative thoughts, negative emotion, from all the hurt, from all the bashing I got from the 2022 vice presidential campaign. I got so many bashing. If you pray for me, I think I will get well. If you keep on bashing me, I think I will die. Hindi nyo naiintindihan kado ko kayong kamahal. Bawat ako ko para po sa inyo, hindi para sa akin. Anong ginawa nyo? Binasya na ako ng binasya. Sumaba sa sobrang loob ko. May isang basher nagsabi sa akin, Doc Willie, even if you run 10 times again and again, you will lose again and again and again. What did I do to you? Why do you hate me so much? I saw my mom. My mom died. Nandun siya. Kinukuha na niya ako eh. He admitted that I was vomiting, delirious, high fever. They checked my WBC. Sabi niya, paano ka nabuhay? Your WBC is 0. My BP was low, 85/60, dehydrated, sepsis, vasodilation of the artery from possibly E. coli. Ow. Sakit niya. Sakit niya. Sakit ng bukol. Kamusta po sa mahal kong followers? How are you? Update ko lang po kayo sa condition ko, ha? Walang iyakan muna, buhay pa naman ako. So today, ginagawa ko tong video, September 11, 2024. What time is it? 11 a.m. Okay, 10 a.m. Patients. I have sarcoma. Para sa mga doktor, you can use me as your case study din, ha? Okay lang po, hindi ako magagalit. I will allow it. Use Doc Willie on case study. Ganito yan. My diagnosis is sarcoma. One of the most hardest cancer to treat. It is 16 centimeter by 12 centimeter by 13 centimeter hidden inside my abdomen. The cancer situated itself in a very tricky and devious manner. It started from the T10, T11 spine. It grew to 16 centimeters. This sarcoma, it is so destructive. It blocked half of my esophagus. See, it is hard to swallow. Ayaw pumasok. Bukod sa hindi ko tinatawag na salbahe ang cancer. Binalak niya yung esophagus ko. Tapos ang ginawa ng sarcoma, inipit niya yung aking right atrium. It also blocked my right atrium, almost compressing my heart. Look at my veins. And worst of all, you know what happened? This sarcoma is almost closing my inferior vena cava. My feet, grade 3 edema, swollen feet yesterday. Today, grade 1 edema only. See, grade 1 edema. Grade 1, grade 2. up to here. The diagnosis right now is neutropenic sepsis. I think I got all this pain from negative thoughts, negative emotion, from all the hurt, from all the bashing I got from the 2022 vice presidential campaign. I got so many bashing. I just ran for vice president. What did I do wrong? I did not do anything wrong. I love every one of you. I'm doing this for the Philippines. Di ba may kasabihan tayo? Ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo is the Filipino worth dying for. Gusto ko tumakbo pero paano ka tatakbo? Sabi ng doktor ko, kailan? Hindi ka na makakahabol. You have no more time. Hindi nyo naiintindihan kado ko kayo kamahal. Bawat takbo ko para po sa inyo, hindi para sa akin. Unang campaign ko, wala akong gastos kahit na pangalawa, wala akong gastos, wala akong niloko, wala akong inaway. Anong ginawa niyo? Binash na ako ng binash. Sumaba sobra loob ko. Filipinos should be more caring, more honest. That's why we have all these hardships. Heart rate is always 118, temperature 36.8. Hindi po ako nagloloko. Hindi to bola-bola. Life and death to. Baka bukas patay na ako. If I live, I will live for you. I will live for every Juan de la Cruz. We need good people to run. Good people to run as senator, president, congressman, lahat. We should love the earth. No to mining. We should tax the correct people. Stop the corruption. Look, the Philippines is so rich. You politician, you bribe the people. You give them money to vote for you. You keep them stupid. You want them stupid. Take this. Low phosphate po ako. Lactulose. Low phosphate. Spironolactone Lasix. Diaphragm lozenges for the throat. Ayoko ako lang gagaling. Naiiyak ako. I was crying because they had the best health care. Our Filipinos have no health care. This is the new Doc Willie. Sorry for those watching. I have to do this. This is my mission. Live or die, I will be true to myself. The only reason to live is I love my daughter, Catherine. I want to live. I love Yen Yen. I love Jelly. I love Lisa. I love Ryan. I love Mark. I love all the nurses here. I also love all the politicians there. You are my friends. Di ba kaibigan tayo? Pero masakit sa akin na namamatay yung mahihirap natin. Everything I do for you. Ako na nga pinakamalinis na ginagawa. Binababoy niyo pa ako. May isang basher nagsabi sa akin, Doc Willie, even if you run 10 times again and again, you will lose again and again and again. What did I do to you? Why do you hate me so much? What did I do? I never attacked Duterte. I never attacked PBM. I never attacked Neri. I never attacked Pico. I am nice to them. I interviewed them. All my 60 years old, I serve Filipino people. Lahat ng charity, all my charity work in Salamat Doc, in Makabayan Doctor, in doing charity work in Pasay Filipino Chinese for 25 years. We always give it to the Filipinos. We will talk medicine. They say I am crazy, but My serum ammonia is normal. Ano man naramdaman mo ngayon, Lisa? Parang nanginginig yung buong katawan ko. Anyway, I will decide if I put out this video or not. Pero this is how I feel. If I do not put out this video, I will just die. The news will be, Doc Willie died one day. He did not tell his followers. He lied to his followers.